Hello! Hey, hey! It's been so long. How's everyone doing? How's it going? Let's get these chats on. What is up? Thank you, Oathr King, for the sub. 3-month streak, huh? I'm sorry your sub last month went to waste, because I was gone for most of it. But I appreciate it. Zippy Zach, thank you for the sub. Welcome! Good to see everyone again. M Audio, hey! Ayunema, hey! Welcome, welcome! Michael, Chonkus, welcome. How's it going? Oh, we got a little hype train going. Nice. What is up? How have your 3 weeks been without me? Hopefully extra productive. I'm excited to catch up. I had an excellent vacation. Lots of fun. Did a lot of stuff. Sometimes I feel like overstimulated because we did way too many things every single day for 14 days straight, pretty much. But it was a lot of fun. And so different from Canada, you know? You've been here for 2/3 of the month. Not a bad ratio. Do we get a slideshow? Oh, I mean, I guess I posted a lot on my Instagram stories, but I can show you guys maybe some of the stuff I posted if you're interested. I don't want to take up too much of the stream doing that either. Giving people FOMO. Pretty productive, lots of bank holidays, nice. Yeah, last week was also Easter, right? Hope you guys had a good long weekend. But it's nice to be back streaming. Sorry I wasn't here on Tuesday. I was just, jet lagged, ready to sleep. So I didn't have energy to stream. I haven't really done any game dev this week either. But, I'm ready to pick it up, ready to be pretty consistent with it and see where we can get. Honestly, I might have forgotten how to game dev. Spent my long weekend working on my game. Nice. That would probably be me as well. Oh, also, we got our Ludum Dare results back. Guys, I am impressed. So out of, let me see, hold on. There we go. Oh, do I have to log in? I think I could just go here. Out of over 1,000 entries, we got 33rd. Pretty dang good. I'm impressed with ourselves. Prav Game Dev, hey! I didn't forget. Well, we'll see once I open Unity. Yeah, so this was me, Victor, or Bluepin, and Keely, little trio. Based in Toronto, we did one day in person as well. I'm pretty happy with what I got for audio. 126, not terrible. And I only made one track, so it was maybe kind of expected. It's kind of funny, some of the comments said, what did it say? Oh, it feels like the track's supposed to be annoying, but I wasn't annoyed. So it's a little, that's a pretty funny compliment in my opinion. But it was purely on loop, So yeah, pretty good stats. That's probably the best I've done in a Ludum Dare. out of the maybe 4 times that I participated. Let me see. Oh, 6 times. So that's probably my highest score. And obviously it was a team effort, but Bluepin, Keely kind of took the lead on the game design. I was there for, you know, backup support and pitching like my ideas here and there. But yeah, so somehow it worked out. And we had like a good vibe going, I think, and it was pretty replayable, which I think is handy for scoring pretty high in a game jam like this. So yeah, awesome, thank you. I did my first game jam too. Oh yeah, you did mention it. Which one was it? Which game jam was it? Oh, I'm like half cut off. Okay, hold on, let me move this way. And in the meantime, okay, I'll make sure I only talk about my vacation for like 5 minutes, okay? Because I can probably blabber on about it. And I also don't want to cause FOMO. Oh, some of these are cheesy, the ones I posted today. Because we did this little photo shoot thing. Jackie Codes, she's another streamer. Yeah, I do know Jackie. Cool. I didn't know she did a game jam. I must have missed out on that. I'm gonna do TO jam soon, bit nervous. Oh, nice, that's the Toronto one, right? That sounds fun. Let's see, where do I even begin? Oh yeah, okay, here. Oh no. Okay. Here. Should I just start here? Or maybe you guys can see it without. Load already. Cool, yeah. Game jams are fun because, you know, you get to experiment, you get to try new ideas, and just like get in the creative zone. So I support. Also, our summer game jam is slowly creeping up too. Like, time is flying faster than I expected. Oh yeah, so landed in Bangkok. Super, super fun. Also, it happened to be Thai New Year. Oh, you sound far away? I'm trying my sister's new mic because for some reason, mine was not connecting. Let me see what I can do about this. Get over here. How about now? A little bit better? We might have to just deal with this for today. As I was saying, oh yeah. So I went to S2O, which is a EDM festival. I'm not a huge EDM person. I don't really rave, but a couple of my friends do. So I went to an EDM festival, and it happened to be a water festival as well. So we got soaked. Anyways, it was a really cool experience for sure. Yeah, really cool lighting. Water being sprayed through hoses, you know? Sometimes it would land on us for like 30 seconds, and we got drenched. This is just me and my friends. And yeah, fun time. What else? Okay, so then they do the water festival during like their Thai New Year, because for their New Year, they also have like a water festival going on for the couple days that it happens. So you cannot escape the streets of Bangkok, at least, without getting drenched on the streets. So it's very fun, but also I can see people being frustrated if they need to get from like point A to point B. But very, very funny, but just a good time. It's like everybody's kind of united through that energy. Just drinks, blah blah blah. What else we got here? Oh, little kitty, very cute. Have you guys tried quail eggs before? I think I've had like boiled ones in Japan, but I never tried the little sunny side up eggs. We got miniatures, we got little parades going on. Anyways, I'm really surprised with how like well developed Bangkok and the cities are. It's just like so much energy. The city is so alive at night. And just the New Year was just really fun to experience, you know? Quail legs, oh snaps. Alcohol, here and there. Yeah, lots of temples. It was really cool seeing these. They're also kind of like tourist hotspots, which is fine. I saw a bunch of like little monks, you know, chanting outside and just having fun. So that was very cute. Khao San Road, that's like a spot to be as well. It was very rainy that day, but that's where a lot of the tourists kind of hang out, and it's supposed to be a fun time there, but I was only there for an evening. PP Islands, guys. This was crazy. The water was so blue and clear. So this is a really, really nice place if you like beaches and stuff. Yeah, PP Islands. Yeah, just fun to get some sun, you know? So here we did the we did a traditional motorboat like tour, and me and my friends were getting a little seasick because you are literally on the sea, and so when it was kind of the evening time, the tides were really picking up, so we were getting a little seasick there, but it was a lot of fun. Look at this water. Oh, sorry. My YouTube chat. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Where was I? Sorry. I thought I posted the, Hold up. Look at this monkey in the meantime while I set up my YouTube chat. All right, let's see. Logs 48. Hey, new to the channel. Sorry, I'm just catching up on where I was the past 3 weeks. But my game is a Greek myth puzzle game, which I'll get back to soon. Goblin, hey, I'm at work deving right now. Nice to see people working on their passion projects. Yes, we'll be getting back to it very soon. They sure love their water. Yeah, I think they do the water festival because that time period is the hottest it is in Thailand, right? So you want to cool down, etc., etc. All right, don't worry, I'm not neglecting you guys. Beautiful, beautiful water time. Me chilling out. Pineapple fried rice in a pineapple. That's what I'm talking about. Lots of good food. What else we got here? Yeah. All right. What else we got here? Oh, yeah. elephants. Okay, I don't know how I feel about me doing this one, because we tried to find an ethical like elephant sanctuary, but I still felt weird doing it, you know? It's like these elephants kind of still feel trapped even though they're not chained or whatever, and I feel like they're really used for entertainment purposes once I experienced it, so I'm feeling a little bit conflicted about that one. But still a cool experience, and obviously the elephants are super, super cute. What else we got? Oh yeah, so then, yeah, that was in Phuket. That was our last stop, and then Vietnam was interesting because I didn't know what to expect, but also Ho Chi Minh City, very developed as well, and a lot of motorcycles and scooters, which is cool. But you know, it's super nice just walking around. Very, very hot. But we went to this rooftop later. Lots of good food, a lot of pho in Vietnam, obviously. I think I ate it every day. Curious how much experience do y'all have in the industry? Oh, I will touch on that soon. Looks like a fun vacation. It was. Capybara! Yes. Anyways, my Instagram stories I try to make them kind of fun. Banh mi. Anyways, you get the gist of it. This is the walking street. Did a little rural type of tour. Hey, load. Did a little biking tour as well. That was really fun. This was probably one of my favorite days, where I just biked around, hiked this. It's a hard hike when the sun is beaming down and it's like 40, feels like 40 degrees Celsius. Oh yeah. This was really cool. This is like the train street where you're like a foot away from the train coming in. This one's so funny. The little cafe. Anyways, I'm already reminiscing. Water puppet show. Anyways, if you guys need tips going to Thailand or Vietnam, definitely let me know and I'll let you know our itinerary. It was a really fun trip. Thanks, Em. It was an awesome trip. Indeed. This was really cool because I didn't expect to do this, but this massage parlor, so I went to like at least 10 massages during the trip. But that massage parlor is run by like blind massage therapists. So I didn't know what to expect, but they're really, really good. Like they know what they're doing. So that was a cool little experience, and yeah, just my friends. I think that's about it. And then we did this costume one, which is kind of cheesy. Little costume. I mean the Thai traditional dress day with a professional photo shoot, which is funny. But anyways, that's about it. And like the massage, I went to so many massages because it's like $15 for an hour. Obviously I'm gonna go as many times as possible. But yeah, it was awesome. Lots of fun. Lots of good food. The culture is so different, but also kind of familiar because, you know, I've been to Sri Lanka a bunch of times, and like the rural areas or some of the parts look very familiar too. So it was kind of nice to see similarities, differences, and just experience like the culture. Capybara, yeah! #1 most chilled animal in the world. That's why we were saying, like, they're literally our spirit animals. Alright, cool. That's about it. I think I went more than 5 minutes, but already reminiscing. How are you guys doing? Please get me up to speed. What have you guys been up to? Oathr King, toss that link. We will play your game. Maybe not right now, but when I need a break would be great. And Goblin, you said, how much experience do y'all have in the industry? Maybe some other people can also answer that question. But for me, so I've just been doing game dev by myself right now for a while now, maybe 10 years on and off, and then I'm taking it a little bit more seriously since last year. But before that, I had 5 years working at a financial, like an investment services company as a software engineer. So that's what I was up to. And even before that, I was doing like co-op terms and such. So a lot of that experience kind of crosses over into game dev. Beard or die, definitely not been getting $10, $15 massages. Honestly, such a steal. Some of our meals only cost like $4. It's like, what? What on earth? That's the perks, I guess. The dollar is powerful. Battle Gnome. Hey, ironically, I think Vietnam likes the US more than French. According to a recent RAND study, I was on the Cambodian border with Thailand back in the day. I see. That's interesting. Stack 'em. Oathr King. Nice. I'll have it open. Studied Southeast Asian culture as a minor in college. Oh, you did? That's pretty cool. I'm sure you're well educated on some of those issues then. Interesting. I didn't know you were away traveling. I asked about you to Bluepin. Yes, I was on vacation. Thanks for asking, though. I'm glad you guys noticed my disappearance. Oops. Yeah, how have you been, Brainoid? Dinera, thank you for the sub and welcome. I'm stuck doing work. I won't be able to hang out. No worries. I'll probably be around for a bit. You were gone? Did you read the manga book while you were gone? Did you give me a recommendation? Oops. Oh, we got Cat. Hey. Doing good. Submitted my demo build to Steam. Nice. The little cat game. I remember. Waiting for the review, preparing a press list, etc. Nice. Awesome. Sounds productive. Subcontinent, India, classic Buddhist art, and architecture. That sounds amazing. That's a really cool minor to do, because I feel like a minor is great for something you're really, really interested in on the side. So that's a unique minor, actually. Very nice. Stuck with production issue, but I wanted to say hello and welcome back. Thank you. Thank you. I hope you've been good, Dinera. I know I saw like a lot of your stream links being tossed in the Discord, so looks like you were streaming and having fun with that, so I'm glad. Thank you for popping in today. I appreciate that. MB95, good that you're back. I am back. Did you guys miss me? Did you get inspired by anything while you were there? Honestly, I kind of turned my brain off of work mode. I did bring my notebook, my game dev notebook. My friend saw it as well, and he's like, not supposed to be doing work around here. But I didn't use it, so I guess I was really fully present with just experiencing things. And I'm glad I did, because I felt like I really just relaxed and enjoyed. But I'm sure, once I start doing game dev again, I'm pretty sure I'll, connect things, you know? It's all good. Big fan of DoTween, literally working with it right now to animate. Awesome! Been trying to work DoTween into my project, then backpedaling to redo things. Honestly, I like DoTween as well. So good. I do realize that I would like to pick up my speed on this game and try to really get it to its production state, but I also need to work on a couple things. I feel like we do need the grid back in here at some point. But I'm excited. I gotta kind of bring myself up to speed today and see what I'm gonna work on for the rest of the week. The Let's Work voice chat has been a ghost town. Oh no. Well, I'll be back on it. I'll be back on it daily, so hopefully more people will join again. I saw that the daily logs are still kind of active, so I'm glad about that. But need to get everybody back in voice chat. Aura Studios, hey. Hello. How are you doing? How's it going? DoTween is the GOAT. Why can I just donate 1 bit? Thank you for the 1 bit donation. I appreciate that. Hey Kev, I'm here talking about developing the manufacturing base. Yeah, let me connect you to Battle Gnome. You guys can work on something together. Oh, looks great. Top down. Isometric. Sort of top down. Yeah. Woohoo. Grid-based. Sorry, turn-based puzzle game for anyone that's new. When will we know who won the Creative Jam for last month? Oh yeah, I should think of a theme for... Oh, wait, this month's theme is the Music Jam. So I should probably organize that. Regarding last month, was it just you who submitted? It's usually a random selection, so I wonder who could win. I think Silly said she would, or they would submit something, so we'll give it a couple more days. Sounds good. I'm alright, applied for another position today at the Marine Corps, got accepted into training qualification. Nice, that's cool. Good job, congrats. How are you? I'm doing great. First stream after coming back from my little vacation. So, feeling re-energized, had a good time. It was great seeing my friends and spending some time with them as well. And I got to experience a lot of new things. So, can't complain. I'm a happy little person over here. Y-axis for overlapping. The higher you are, the more behind things you are. Indeed, indeed. So a true 2D game, yes. Even though it's isometric, fully hand-drawn, and 2D. So not like, not 3D models that are kind of rendered to look, you know, flat or anything like that. So we got a bunch of stuff like this. I need to make this stuff look a little bit better, but at least we got this stuff working before I left, which I'm glad about. I think I just want to make the grid parts look a little bit better. We'll get some UI for the dialogue boxes soon. Also, these bubbles should probably disappear after you click it once, maybe? I think so. We'll see. I gotta really change some of the fonts there. How's your game coming along? Well, I've been gone, Zaniac, for 3 weeks, so no progress in the last, let's say, month. But I'm ready to get back on it. I think I planned a lot of stuff. I finished the story for the most part, so it's a matter of building out the puzzles and the content. Easier said than done. Axe Dev, hey, welcome back, thank you. Long time no see. I can recognize you because of the profile pic. How you doing? I gotta get ready to head out, usually need to leave the house. Having the car. The car is still in the shop? Oh, that's too bad, Michael. But no worries. Start getting ready. I'm back for good now, for a while. So I will catch you on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Dragomir, looks nice, thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, so I would love to get this game out this year. That is my goal, and I did make kind of like milestones before I left. So let's see if I can stick to a schedule and really get this out. This, I realize I'm not a huge fan of. Same with this, needs to be kind of redone. Coming back to it after a month lets you look at it with new eyes. It's like, I don't think that's working out that great. Is it complete? It is not complete. I am done my demo portion technically, and a little bit more than the demo. Ooh, oh, little sneak peek. We'll be back. New game idea. Kind of has a a mystery puzzle solving component to it. You know I'm a fan of that. So, yeah. Oh no. Pretty much done the first 2 worlds minus the art. Sorry, not the first 2. Like 1.5. We have a long ways to go, but I kind of set up how I want it to progress. I didn't do the last world, I guess. So it's more like filling in the blanks at this point. Let's get to it, sister. Indeed, indeed. Using Vanilla.js and WebGL to make an interactive client review for customer packaging. Interesting. Cool. Doing some web dev over there. You said this is Godot. This is Unity, if that's what you were asking me. Unity. Ahoy, Traveler. Hey, Bluepin. I was just showing them the Ludum Dare results. Killed it. Have you played Braid? What do you think of it? I played a little bit of Braid. I didn't finish it. I thought it was pretty cool. I don't quite remember exactly what the controls were, but there was like the rewind time. Yeah, I mean, that was like an iconic game for the puzzle genre, right? How many days until the next vacation? No. My friends are already tempting me for next year. I'm like, no. I gotta do some work. I feel like I went on a couple good vacations this past year, so take it easy. I gotta take it easy. But also at the same time, traveling is just so much fun and like just such a good experience that I feel like life really needs. Just learning new things, trying new things, but it's also a privilege, so. We killed it, but slightly less than Brainoid, so it's all for nothing. Oh, what was Brainoid's game in Ludum Dare? I'm trying to remember. Did I play it? I must have played it. Oh, I think I remember. This is the one he did the music for, right? The, like, the jelly one? Not the jelly, but you know what I'm talking about. The impossible platformer. That's funny. Accidental user, hey! What's up? Are you a solo dev? How many worlds do you plan to develop? That is the hard part for sure. My 6-month project usually becomes 2 years. It's so frustrating, right? When it takes way longer than you expect, but at the same time, it's really hard to make a good estimate. Yes, I'm working part of a team. I have an artist on board, Laura, very talented, and Oathr, who is doing music and the future sound effects. So that's exciting. I'm trying to do 5 worlds. So the forest and village, Medusa, Zeus, Hades, and Poseidon. I'm open to cutting worlds if necessary, and if it's becoming like way out of scope, but for now I think it's fine. We'll see. We shall see. There's a lot of animations that we kind of need to do as well. Hit the like button and it helps out the algo. Thank you, Goblin. I appreciate that. You're doing great. 5 is nice. Start small, then do an update. Yeah, well, 5 kind of seems like a lot too, because so far there's all the village levels, which is about maybe 12 levels. Some are longer than others, like this one. And then we have, I think, like 15 levels in the next world. So, I don't know. Maybe it'll be fine. Keep it small and polished. Yeah. Trying. I'm also trying to incorporate like a little bit more story too, just because I want to lean into the Greek myth portion of it, not just have the environment reflect like Greek myth. I do want to incorporate some of the mythology, some of the characters and heroes and gods and goddesses. So yeah, we'll see. Had to keep my project from getting too large so I can finally release it. Yeah, that was the issue with Foxglove. It was getting way too big. But I will be back to that project. It just needs a little refining on the game design. And it was 3D, which I was not super familiar with. I'll be back to that. This was supposed to be like my practice project. But never goes as planned, right? Project creep, indeed. Scope creep. Crazy. I thought you were gonna do ants versus plants instead of Sophia. I'm just in charge of music, right? If we do a full release of that. Dragomir found it several days ago. It does not give you the link. Oh, were you trying to send something? I think YouTube censors links. So if you want to toss it in the Twitch chat, that works. Otherwise, just give me what to Google or find on Steam. That's my current side project, was the practice, now the main. Yeah, I feel like generally it's hard to multitask with projects, you know? Which is fine. All we gotta do is focus on the end goal. Alright, let's see if I can actually do some work. Maybe I should... I think it was on Discord I wrote like what I want my timeline to look like. So let's see what I wrote down. Woohoo! I'm kinda... Okay, maybe I shouldn't share this. Too much accountability. Man, where do I even start? I feel kind of lost, but it's fine. Maybe I'll open... Where are you? Oops. Oathr projects. All right. April 1st. Just check the message you left yourself. Oh no, I saw it. I feel like if I expose it, I'm, you know, I'm held accountable to the months that I told myself. Confidential information for now. Oh my god, I really can't remember what my game is about. Alright. Yeah, I gotta stop overthinking and just do it, because sometimes, you know, nobody cares. Like, it doesn't matter the reason the dad really went missing. Pick the best one out of the 3 options you have, basically. Just do. I mean, I didn't even mean the months one. I meant the above one. Oh, let me see. Nice. My sleep schedule is not fixed yet. I woke up at 4 a.m. today. Okay, nice. We ended up writing the story for Sophia's path, though there's still some fill in the blanks that need to be done. Structure the progression for the rest of the game. Milano, yes. Let's hop into getting stuff done on the priority list that I gave Laura. Did I write a priority list? Let's storyboard every cutscene, otherwise keep... Okay. Sure. Analysis paralysis. Exactly. This is me on the daily? Yes. Sir Puffin, welcome. It's literally me. Overthinking, so easy though. It is, right? Trying to learn back-end dev with REST APIs. Nothing can be simple. Trying not to use frameworks. Oh, snaps. Oh yeah, you said pure vanilla JS. Impressive. I use like React at work before. Go with the flow. All right, I guess let me finish. Let me see what I even wrote here. Yeah, snakes. Leading up to Medusa. Am I cutting this? Oh, rewrite Medusa so that she's more wholesome. Yes. Yeah, she looks too evil here. And I kind of gave her like an evil persona. But now we're going to make her like... She's got to drop these eyebrows down a little. Make her look a little more wholesome. Okay, why are you so angry? So that would fit into the more wholesome vibe of the story. My god. Every time I stream the day after, my voice is kind of gone because I usually don't talk this much. Anyways, good luck on your game. You can do this. Thank you. Not sure how you ended up in my side list on Discord. Oh. Cool. Found me by coincidence then. Unless you're in our Discord server. I'm not sure. Maybe you're there by accident. Love to see what and how other game devs do. For sure. So the page that I've tried to send is Blue Ocean Games. They support indie releases. Oh, cool. I'll check that out. Thank you. Nice. Oh, you can get some funding, I guess. Very cool. I will check that out. Thank you for sharing. Hey, Prince. Guess who's back? Yes, I'm back. Back again. Time to get back to work. You know, no more slacking. Slacking on vacations. I'm already thinking about where I would want to go for my next vacation, but calm down, calm down. We got time. Okay, did I map out this part? Oh, meet the fates. Oh yeah. Must be so hard to pick when you've been everywhere. Come on. That's not true. I would actually like to maybe visit somewhere in Africa. I was eyeing like Egypt. Just because it's like super different. Or maybe like South Africa. I don't know. I don't know yet. Hello, Poop Maker. What's up? Did the vacation cost a lot? We kind of did a couple bougie things, so that kind of ramped up a little. But in general, I think it was pretty fair, like the costs, just because it was Asia. Like accommodation didn't cost as much as one would think, but you know, that plane ticket is kind of pricey. I saw a bunch of the world, but it wasn't the fun parts. No. Yeah, that's interesting. Is Africa the final frontier besides Antarctica? Who knows? I also need to do South America though. Have not done. And I haven't been to Australia either. Which country did you go? I went to Thailand and Vietnam. Very, very interesting places to be. So much variety to do. Is the food good in Thailand? Oh, so good. So good. Lots of noodles, lots of rice, like the minced pork dish, lots of veggies. Like, you feel good when you eat that stuff too. So I enjoyed it. Same with Vietnam. The pho, the spring rolls, so good. But also at the same time, I don't consider myself a foodie just because I have to be careful since I have a lot of allergies. So I'm very skeptical when trying new food. I did have my allergy card this time, so it helped a little bit. But I tried like everything I wanted to try at least. Brazil is pretty nice. Oh, I would like to do Brazil. Or I heard Argentina is kind of nice as well. If you get to know some locals. Yeah, that would be fun. All right, where were we? Let's see. So I think I had like a formula. Yeah, the formula is basically start new world, some obstacles, meet or like do a quest type thing, meet the boss, meet the merchant, and then like some other kind of encounter. I think that's the formula for it. Because the elder thing is the quest. I don't know how I feel about my transition screen. But it's fine, right? Quite all right. Meet the merchant. We didn't really do an encounter here, but it's fine. It's okay. Yeah. Cute. Manisha's gonna go lower Earth orbit. When I get overwhelmed by a looming deadline, I say, okay, where will we be in an hour? What piece do I want to accomplish? Then I do a quick triage, knock out the low-hanging fruit, and save bottlenecking tasks for later. After an hour, you got the easy stuff knocked out, and you have a huge moral boost. So true, so true. Sometimes the small tasks just help you feel kind of productive, get some momentum going, you know? So definitely important, but we shouldn't keep the high priority tasks till too late either. Okay. All right. The goal is not to fall asleep. Mural items. Wait, did I do that? I think I did do that. Level 5. Some mural. Yay! Chiseled. Did I spell that right? To perfection. Cool. So yeah, I did implement that. Lovely. Good, good, good. But also you need to kind of explain that it's there, or give them some kind of indicator. Often, high priority is not equal to complicated. Kind of true. Kind of true. Depends where you are on your, like what stage you are at, right? High priority can be like bugs that are critical. Really depends, I think. So now it's a matter of, do I want to keep polishing what I have, or just build out all the content? Can't decide. What the heck? Why am I over here? All right. Someone mentioned timers, so maybe we'll do a Pomodoro for today just to get into the groove of things. And, you know, knock off at least one task, 2 tasks, depending on what I have here. Don't cut off the observation text. That's kind of low priority. Game over transition and restart. I guess it just needs polishing. All right, I think What are you guys working on today? Oh boy, it's gonna be a thunderstorm. This over here. P2, hey, how's the progressing? Not too bad. It's my first day back after a little bit of a trip, so slow progress, but we're getting back into the groove. How are you doing? Welcome. I'm continuing with my data science projects, trying to learn data science and Python. Nice. Very cool. Working with some AI stuff or what? Or just kind of analyzing? Alright. These little things will probably have like little sound effects. Ugh, I really butchered the font on this. Client forms for a backend database. Nice. Adjusting lights and adding buttons. Cool stuff. Adjusting lights? What does that mean? The goal is to learn AI also, but still didn't get to. Nice. Yeah, AI will be probably something that could help you as a tool with your data science stuff. But I'm guessing you're doing like the most important parts for now. Three.js, interactive 3D models of consumer goods. Oh yes, I have heard of Three.js. Nice. I didn't know you were like showing models of the consumer goods. That's cool. That explains the lighting. Finishing up work for the day, then gonna do some game dev, work on my emote system for X mode. Oh, wait, what's X mode? Wait, is that the name of your game? I don't remember the name of your game, to be honest. You're gonna have to give me a recap. I do know how it looks, but I just forget the name. Very cool. My main job tends to be 3D modeling in Maya and Modo. Nice. Oh, cool. You're a 3D modeler learning web dev. Very nice. X mode is the game. Is the name? Nice. Cool. Good to know. I won't forget now. Gotta replace all the grass stuff. Oh my gosh. There is quite a lot to do. I think I should go back to like making puzzles. It seems like the right time to do that. That's cool though, an emote system for like your main characters. That sounds fun. You can work with some cool animations. Okay. Yeah, I guess for this it means like what do those events look like? So for level 2, so when you get a kill, you can emote on them to flex. Nice. Yeah, that is a critical feature. Very cool. Oh, yeah, I wrote that here. Intro to mechanic. Or maybe just a special type of... Or something like this. Birth, life, and death. Spinner, water, then flexible. Yeah, they're sisters. Maybe I should reference my sisters when I'm making these characters, since I have 2 sisters. each one is. Clato. So like birth. Oh yeah, really interesting stuff. I feel, this is overscoping, but I feel like so I have this formula, right? But like a mini game would be perfect for this type of thing. For this type of encounter, like the second encounter with another character. But we should not, unless we keep the same gameplay mechanics. We shouldn't. Meet the Fates. Meet Medusa again. Okay. Terra. Pandora's Box encounter. Wait, that seems very short. Puzzles, Hera, puzzles, box encounter, meet Doran, Cyclops. Sure. Hades. And last but not least, Poseidon's World. Okay, let's do finish layout on Milano for entire game. Let's do that. All right, we probably won't stream too long because, you know, I feel like I'll get sleepy. But I also want to ease into it. So we'll get started on this. Keep chipping away. Huh? Did I say I was gonna do the ferryman thing? What? Not recommending a style change. Game looks great, but though we imagine Greek cityscapes as all white marble, there's a fair amount of color in red oxides. Yes! You know what? I actually do know that. I was kind of letting the artist do her own thing as well. But yeah, we can definitely bring in some color. Because I do remember at the... So maybe once we get to the temple area, we can get some more color on the temple, because I know some of the murals used to be like colorful and such. I mean, maybe we can bring in some more stuff in the city. Good to know though, from someone who's studied it. Those pigments. I have seen like some statues, some Greek statues that did have like color in them. A lot of it has just weathered away over the years, right? Let's take the rest of the week off in game. Low-key want to, but I shouldn't. I got stuff to do. That was a test you passed. Nice. Okay, after this Pomodoro, we'll play your Game Jam game. Just a heads up. So I'm kind of feeling a snack, but it's only been an hour. The warning? What have I been writing? Oh, yeah. Cool. Just me surprising myself. Passed the fake test, failed the real test. I hope it doesn't crash the stream. That's my optimization benchmark. Oh no. My PC is on the verge of dying. I'm gonna lurk. Need to re-immerse in Code World. Sounds good. I'm kind of in focus mode too for the next 20 minutes. Let me finish my organizational tasks. Yes, feel free to lurk. Get some work done. That is my hope for you guys. Co-working. All right. Are you ever concerned that having and working on various organization methods and documents might not actually be a net positive in productivity, and that time would be better spent doing something more practical? Yeah, I have thought about that. The more I use various tools, the more I know what kind of works for me, and Milanote has definitely worked for me and been like helpful in my progress because it gives me like the overview of everything. So this I need for sure. The Google Docs, sometimes confusing because it's just a bunch of ideas and brainstorming. That one I can say is a little bit inefficient for me because I'm like, oh, what did I write about this part? So I'm kind of hopping back and forth, but I still think it's necessary just because I'm doing a story game. Like, I do want story in it. If I didn't have story in this game and I was making like a very simple puzzle game, I feel like I would be less distracted by all these other tools. I would just maybe build levels without any specific progression, just make it get harder over time. So I feel like what I'm using right now is kind of necessary, which is Trello. I need it. It's good for me to stay on top of my tasks. And then Milanote I definitely need. Like, it's literally giving me an overview of the entire game at a glance. And like even now, coming back to it after vacation, I'm like, okay, dang, I wrote that. And like, oh, this is how it was gonna progress, right? So already in like a couple minutes, I'm like, okay, I kind of know where I'm at with that. This Google Docs is harder to, parse through. So far, this is working for me. We'll see. Like, we'll see as I keep progressing if I'll ditch some tools. I'm not attached to anything. If it's gotta go, it's gotta go. I'm putting your PC as my minimum specs. Are you serious? Okay, I need to upgrade soon. And I need to like clear my storage space. It's like all the worst things are happening right now. I think as long as you keep an open mind at the same time, like you have convictions, but also willing to always do the best option. Yeah. So this is what's working for me. It's just giving me a hard time because I'm trying to make like a story and I don't have too much experience making a long story game. That's why I think I'm sometimes a little bit inefficient with my process. Yeah, but I can't help it because I want to make a story game so badly. So I'm kind of stuck with doing what I'm doing. Unless someone comes by with, a better way to do things. I just got through 2 long story games. Couldn't be me. Oh, what did you play? I know The Last of Us Season 2 is out, or like starting to get released, so I'm like, oh, maybe I should finally play it. Is it still on sale? I think it was on sale a bit. Or maybe not. Yeah, story is hard too because visuals have to be based off of it, so the decisions kind of need to be made right away. Yeah. Yeah, everything kind of ties in. And I like a good story. Makes it more memorable to me. But at the same time, it's like, did this game really need like how much story I'm aiming for? Who knows? I think it helps, but who knows? And maybe like I'll learn for my next game. That's all that matters, right? And I don't think I'm making a mistake, so. Okay, the warning, yes, that was part of the hero's journey. This one, I don't remember what I wrote about that. Maybe it would help if, even with your story, you put down a rough idea, like I'm going to use Medusa, but could always change the writing later. Yeah, exactly. That's what I kind of had. Like, Medusa was there, I made her kind of scary and evil. Realize it's not really matching the entire mood of the game, so we're going to rewrite her. But I know she's going to be in there, you know? And even now, when I'm mapping out the progression, it's like, okay, this is going to be here, this is going to be here. But any specific writing, dialogue can be changed over time, so, which is fine. So at least this is giving me an idea of kind of how things should go. So no problemo. It also fits Sophia's vibe too. It looks like a book, a great book. Yeah. I mean, imagine like just doing a small storybook release. I do want Laura, if she's open to it, to do like a concept art or like an art book. I think that could be cool. I don't know how much interest there would be for people to get like a hard copy of that. But we'll definitely do something art-based too. Whether it's just wallpapers or, you know, a phone screen. That could be fun too. But I would personally love a physical copy of her art. But I'm biased. I'm already depleted. I woke up at 4 a.m. kind of tired. And also, I haven't... My voice, I can't talk this much. I have a maximum word count before my voice starts giving in. I gotta fix my mic, like... Being awake for 4 hours isn't that crazy? I know, but it's just like my schedule, my sleep schedule's whack. What are you up to, Blue Pin? What's going on? What is up? I miss hanging with you guys in Discord. Manisha left and it was Ghost Town. No, why? I'm the glue. I'm the glue to keep everyone together. I'm on the bus on the way back home. Nice. Yes, it's home time. End of the workday. It's my weekly trek. Gotcha. Nice. Hope you had a good work day. This guy's like, what's that sound? How dare you wake me from my slumber? Backpack full of broken watches and mind full of dreams. Wow, very poetic. Why did I put the ferryman here? I'm not quite sure. Intro to a mechanic. Yeah, we'll just do Thanatos. Don't think we need this. Finish Poseidon's thing and then we'll be done this task in 7 minutes, hopefully. Oh, you know what this reminds me of? I think it was in Freddy Fish. They lock up her dad or something. So random. I don't know why it reminded me of this. Was it 3? Oh yeah, a little jail cell. Pretty much locked up the dad. So we could do something like that. This is underwater too. I guess that's why it reminded me. So funny. We're weeks away from Falling Thingies hitting mainstream. Oh my gosh. You're so quick with things. I'll post a work in progress track from Falling Thingies in the music channel. Sounds good. Yeah, you had some epic music incoming, right? We're basically gonna do this in our game. Okay, find father locked up. And then a little puzzle thing to open up the cage. The musician is tasked with making the best music he can possibly make. We can't go wrong. Sweet. That's exciting. Enrag, hey, thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. Welcome, welcome. Blah. What? Mother figure guides back. What's with the sleepy music? Oathr, hey, morning to you. 4 p.m. over here. Time to get yanked by meetings. Goblin, I'll see you later. Have a good time at your meetings. I will see you on Tuesday, if possible. Oathr, welcome. How's it going? Who should give me the quest? Ray Ramy, hey, thank you for the follow. Okay, we're pretty much done. I just need to choose who the quest should. I guess we could do them. Whoa, what is this? Going okay, welcome back from holiday. Hope you had a great time. Had a wonderful time. Very fun adventure. Thank you for asking. Back to work now. You know? The game is not making itself. Let's see. Who could ask for a quest? Ooh, he looks spooky here. Okay, maybe that's the last thing to kind of figure out. Ray Ramy, welcome to chat. All right, I think I'm pretty happy with that. I guess Poseidon can be the only one who's kind of angry. I mean, does he need to be angry? I don't think he needs to be angry, but yeah, something like that. Okay. Good. At what stage are you? Just started? Not just started. It's been a couple months. I basically have like the demo portion done. So it's a turn-based puzzle game. So we got a whole bunch of levels like this, and different little biomes. And then I'm pretty much done the demo, so up to level 12. There's a very temporary art here. And then I have up to, how many levels was it? Kind of like 23 levels at the moment. So making our way through, but there's a lot to be done still. So as you can see, the game kind of starts here. We're kind of done polishing like maybe this portion, and I've built content for like this, and this is world 2. So I just need to finish like the rest of world 2 and then 3 to 5 ideally. Were you gonna be putting demo on Steam? Yeah, demo will be on Steam, but once I'm like close to releasing the game. So, hoping for one of the next fests. The next fest that is closest to the game releasing. That's apparently the way to go. No, it's gonna be this year. No, it's gonna be this year. 2025. It's happening. Today's not a good indicator of my progress, though. Okay, we basically outlined this. So, Owner King, are you around? I said I would play your game, so we can do that. That means it's happening in October. Yeah, I think I wrote down October. Ideally. Let's see what I wrote down. Dun, 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 dun. That's what I wrote down. Read the tips? Okay. Let's turn this music off first. And play in full screen. Left click to place objects. Try to keep the tower in the center for best results. New items are added and the difficulty increases as you get higher. Try to make it to space if you can. About 70 items high. Click the health when it's floating down. Click on helicopters. Ooh, exciting. I'm so proud that you did your first game jam. Congrats. That's really cool. Em did the music. Nice. That's awesome. Teamwork. I had a blast. I learned so much. I told you. It's such a great opportunity to, you know, push yourself to quickly learn stuff. Good stuff, good stuff. Let's let it load on my slow as heck computer. It's so fun. I still play it just because. Nice. All right. Let's let it load up. I guess I should see where I'm at on these end levels. Oh yeah, these are the maze ones. Yeah, we're on level 23. Here we go. I want it to be a mobile game. How hard is that? Well, Oathr King uses Unity, so not too bad. Yes. There we go. Stack them. Oh no. Kind of lagged a bit for me. Blame my PC. Oh. Oh, is the gravity not kicking in yet? Nah! There it is. Chapter 1. That's so funny. Basically just have to not let it tip over. Axel is the best player so far. Oh no. We can't let that happen. Wait, it said something about health, right? Click on them to give them the slip? Huh? No! My bad, my bad. What? Wait. Helicopter? Oh, snaps. Out to get me, right? Oh! No! Click the helicopters away. I thought I clicked it. Okay, we got to 48. Not bad. Out of 70? Let's give it another go. Yeah, you have to do it 4 times. Oh, I see. Oh, you don't hear the music? One moment. Of course, we need to appreciate M's music. Hopefully you can hear it now. Otherwise I'll... Oh, still don't hear it? Okay, I'll turn up the output right now. No! I'm screaming. Remind me to turn it back down after. No! No! I like the variety in objects you're using. No! Are you serious? I did worse. Oh. What the heck? Hold up. That's funny. Please do not combust. This is a fun little game. Stack them up. Okay, so far so good. Stop. I'm not a pro gamer, unfortunately. Damn it. No! Oh, this is a first. What is that? A bed? No. A, ice hockey table? That's what it kind of looked like. Not the toilet. Oh! Oathr Studios, thank you. My bits are uneven. Nice. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate that. Okay, I think my high score was 48 so far. Thanks, Oathr Studios. I appreciate the bits. She was really good at it? Oh no. I'm the only one slacking over here. Okay, now I have to make it to 70 to prove myself. We're in focus mode. No! The frickin' car. No. It's not looking good. Scared me for a second.
Look at this cheese. Look at this cheese.
Sound effects are killing me. No! Yeah, I'm really liking the music. Very chill.
Look at this cheese. Look at this cheese.
No! Are you serious? No. Alright, I'll take it. 58. Look at this cheese. That's so funny. Didn't even make it to the skybox. So close, yet so far. Very fun, Oathr King. Really cool concept. And just like, you know, simple but fun. Good job. Awesome. For anyone who wants to check it out, go for it. Simple enough, I knew I could finish it. That's the best way to go, especially for like one of your first game jams. It's like if you can finish something and submit something, you're already on top of things. Really cool song, M. Nicely done, you guys. So chill. I stopped at 200? Are you serious? Excuse me. Thank you. Axel, yeah, if you need Axel to test your games, like, he will play the heck out of them and be good at it the first time. All right. Okay. What did I say was next? We're pretty much done. Oh, gosh. Okay. Yeah, maybe we'll start building puzzles. Excuse me. Interesting. I still think like rhythm games are some of my favorites. Ooh. I really want to create my own models in a jam because this is what I need practice on. Yeah, you should try doing that next time. Maybe assign yourself to you know, scope small, but this time make your own assets. Like, that's a good challenge. I think I mentioned before, like, every time I did a game jam, I would give myself, like, something new to learn or a new genre to tackle. I think that's a pretty good way to go about game jams. They have stacking games at Chuck E. Cheese that are also rhythm games. Were there? Can't remember. Gotta play more Rhythm Doctor. Oh yeah, you guys played that together, right? Very cool. Oh man, I'm already getting tired. I don't know how I did long streams before. I'm sure once I get back into it, it will be fine. Okay, don't mind this boring little level. If anyone else has like games they want me to play, feel free to drop them as well. Have a good dinner. GTA 5. GTA 6. Faraway dream. I see. Okay, much more wholesome. But she just needs to look a little more wholesome. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, it's pouring down, huh? Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna go get a snack. I think I saw chips down there. But I'll be back. Should I mark this as done? I guess so. I think it's just a matter of me building more puzzles out. And Laura will kind of catch up with the art. F? Oh no. Stream is dropping frames. Please say it ain't so. Not complaining just yet. Let me check again. Or maybe I'm just lagging in real life because I'm tired. Okay, cool. When people say F, it means the stream is having issues. I see. Alright, I'm gonna go get a snack. Feel free to get something as well. Oh, my little cat is here. Maybe you guys can watch. Just watch my cat while I get a snack. I'll be back. so cute. Oh, very cute. Oh. Alright, I'm back. If only we had 2 cameras. Ah! No. No! Okay, I'm back. Hello. Axel's deleting normal messages. Aw, wasn't my cat so cute? Got a little mini charcuterie, got some meat, some cheese, some chips. That's what I'm talking about. This cat is refusing to develop games. Yeah. Sleep mode only. Okay, I gotta remake this level because it doesn't really have any puzzles. I guess we can continue on. Let's try this cheese. I'm excited. Oh, that's kind of strong. Don't know how. Twitch interface. All good. Okay. I guess let's duplicate. Don't tell me I still didn't build this level. Yep. Okay, let's duplicate that one. And then okay, let's get a sample asset for the fates. So there's 3 of them. Should I bring back this guy? So the 3 fates. We'll do something like this. Oh, maybe they can like pose an obstacle in the way. Okay, when Sophia first enters, And it should probably be related to each of their, like, what they're in charge of. More Danny DeVito. Yeah, I guess he's my default placeholder. Hey, are you crazy? My cat's trying to go for my food. Stop it. I can give you a tiny bit of cheese. There you go. Danny is the go-to guy. There you go. Hello, Ghost Magic. How's it going? Moirai. Okay. Thread, staff, spindle. Oh, no. Oh, those are all their symbols. It was like thread. Allotted length. I mean, I guess we could do like a cloth type of level, but it needs to work hand in hand with what the level's about. I mean, it could just be like a fancier level where maybe this one's holding some scissors. Or maybe you have to follow a thread or something. That could be interesting. Yeah, I think it'll just be like a unique puzzle. Old and ugly, or a handsome woman. Stay away from my cheese. Alright. Should I put a bush or something here? While she eavesdrops on these guys. Maybe. I feel like the screen constricts what you can do with the grid so much, unless I start making the grid smaller. But I can also use separate screens. Hello! Welcome, welcome! Created by Critters. Thank you for the raid. What's up? How are you doing? New Joker 6. Welcome. Hey guys. What is up? How was the stream? All good, thank you. Oh, what I'm doing? Yeah, chipping away on my Greek myth puzzle game called Sophia's Path. Thank you for the raid. We're just chipping away, building some levels. So trying to see which one gives a good idea. Just a puzzle-based Greek myth adventure. You're making a battle royale? That's crazy. Nice. Is there like a unique setting that it takes place in? But multiplayer game, very cool. See how we go with it. Fingers crossed it goes well. It's pretty big though, I'm sure, for a battle royale. But don't give up. That's the key, right? So we'll do some initial dialogue between them. I think that would be fun. Say, for example, they could just pan. Can you go back on vacation? I need more time to not procrastinate. Yeah, what have you been up to, Axel, for the past couple weeks? Anything new? No pressure, obviously. The keyboard is real loud. Oh, I'm using this new mic. I stole my sister's mic. I wonder if it's more clear than my old mic or not. But it's kind of close to my keyboard. And also I have the loudest keyboard switches. Just for the fun of it. Ooh, I missed the follow. Wait. Robin the Fish. Thank you for the follow. Probably the vibrations through the table. No! And I can probably try to dampen it or something. Or, oh, I could probably attach it to this thing. Should I try? It's kind of a pain to do right now. Ghost Magic, thank you for the follow. Put the mic on a towel or something, like a folded shirt. I got my mic arm. It just has my old mic on it, which wasn't getting picked up by my computer today. Okay, hold on. Let me find a shirt or something. Let's see. Did that do anything? Yes? No? Perhaps? Oh, the vibrations, right? Have I even been typing that much? Otherwise, I'll put it on the arm. It's terrible? Okay, fine. All this work, and for what? Sorry. Okay, I should probably mute it. Better? Testing, typing. What if I'm just too close? Is it just bad when it's typing? I borrowed my sister's mic. I'll make sure mine works again. Or I buy a new version. I mean, a new mic. So it's a no typing stream. Or I'll just type slower. Unless there's no settings on this. Oh, it's the HyperX one. Oh, did I have the gain pumped up because of my other mic? Hold on. Filters. Oh, I did. Okay, let me turn this off. Okay, how about now? Testing. Or I can just turn this down. Better? Even putting your hand on the desk. Oof. Well, I didn't really test it before I plugged it in today. I mean, I thought it would help, some of these filters. Noise suppression. I don't know. Sorry, we're gonna have to... I'll try to dampen my Huh, that's weird. Vibration noise. It's honestly not that bad. Try typing again. Okay, I put one of the filters back on the noise filter, so we can try and see. I'm typing less loud now. Testing. Any luck? I'll definitely set up my mic better for next time. I didn't expect that to happen. Sounds good. I'll have to see why my old mic is not really working. That is very strange indeed. Start screaming to cancel out the vibrating noise. That's funny. I mean, it's a solution. Or we'll just do a no typing stream. Why does it act up when I touch the table? Even though it's on the arm now. It's kind of odd. Is the arm attached to your desk? Yeah, it is. Well, that could be why, but I thought it would be, like, significantly different from being off of my desk. The mic. Interesting. Very sensitive, huh? Yeah, that could be it. That's crazy. That mic can probably pick up an ant's inner monologue. Hilarious. I mean, what other filter can I really put on it? Oh, why is this on? Is that why? Does this help? Could it be my webcam was on? My webcam mic? Yes? No? I mean, I don't think that would affect it really. Yeah, I guess it's just very sensitive. I don't know if there's a way for me to do it through any of these. I don't think that'd do anything, but it's really not that bad anymore. Alright, if you say so. But I will look into that, I promise. Alright, let's see. Back to the regular scheduling. So we'll do a little convo between them. I might need to program something for that. I'm not allowed to tap the desk, huh? Okay. Mount the mic to a cat. Yeah, that would probably dampen everything. Spare cat. Well, unfortunately, he has left. Wait. To answer your question, I basically just played games. Oh yeah, did you mention what games you played? You said you played 3 games. Nice, nice. Well, still keeping busy, right? It's all good. But let's start our music jam this month. Sounds good? Antiqued, hey! Welcome, welcome. It's that time of the day again, when I'm hungry and at the same time have work to do. I'm in the same mood, munching on some chips. How are you doing? Oh, my last chip. No. I need to savor it. Uh, 100 times resist, neon white. Ooh. Signalis. I don't think I've heard of that one. Metroid Prime. Bowser's Fury. Nice. Oh, 5 games, huh? That's cool. Nice, nice. Oh, did you get to try, what was it? The game of the year from last year? The one on the PlayStation? I forget its name already. Did you get to try that one a little bit? But these other ones sound like lots of fun. I forgot I played that. Astrobot. There you go. Nice. On a roll. I want to play some more games this year too. I feel like I'm always behind on my list. I'm a little late. How was the trip? It was wonderful. Quite the adventure. Had lots of fun. Lots of good food, experiences. A good time. I shared some pictures in the beginning of the stream. Okay, I think I need to expand my dialogue system to kind of work between 3. Do I? Yeah. Uh-oh. I mean, it's fine, but a couple things to consider. All good. It's kind of cute, right? Just hiding behind a bush while they kind of talk. So we'll do that. I gotta see, like, what other situations there would be back and forth between other characters. Because I do want that to be a thing. Happy for you, thank you! Was solid. I don't think I really loved it, but I sort of get why it won. Celebratory of game history and such. Cool. Nice. Was it like nostalgic in a way at all? I heard it's kind of similar to like well, actually I don't remember. But just like a solid effort with like the variety and such, I assume. Like just taking on an adventure. 100 times resist? Okay, let me see what that is. I don't think I've heard of it. Or 1,000 times resist. Let's see. Interesting. Rolling sci-fi. Let me look at the images. Interesting. Adventure. I mean, look at that rating. That's pretty cool. Canadian game. Oh yeah, Vancouver. Cool. Played through it in one sitting yesterday, 13 hours. Damn. Heard it was like Mario 3D World. That's what I kind of heard too. About Astrobot. Mudbound. Hey, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed the vacation. I had such a good time. Explored new places. Chilled on the beach. I can't complain. Good food. Was a good time. How have you been? Hopefully streaming in the meantime, getting some stuff done. Better than Mario in terms of gameplay, but didn't really have the charm. Whoa. That's interesting. Maybe in terms of like characters and environments? Good here, very little to report. Mostly have just been working around the house. Nice. No, it's good to mix it up like that. That's awesome. Good to hear. Good to catch up with everybody too. I'll be back to my regular schedule. Let's take a look at this trailer. I'm kind of curious. I have no idea from these images how it plays at all. Why is my... No! 1,000 times resist. A little janky and indie in some ways. Small team, but story was pretty heartfelt. Aww. Okay, I don't know why my Steam is kind of acting up here.
Heki Almo, blue to red. Mask and bunker shield our head. All mothers dream from red to blue. Then sit
up. There's basically no gameplay. Oh, are you serious?
Tell me, Watcher, is there a feeling worth getting incinerated over?
love your mother.
Okay, I don't know why this is not loading up.
And trust in her teeth.
Come on, don't do this to me.
Do your duties and carry out your function.
Interesting. The Steam, I don't know, the Steam page is just acting up. Don't do this to me. Yeah, sure.
Tell me, Watcher, is there a feeling worth getting incinerated over?
Love your mother and trust.
I like how it has a theme song.
Do your duties and carry out your function. For a future far from sin or incineration.
Interesting.
We're all just flowers in a garden of her making.
Oh yeah, you can already tell there's like a story narrative.
So beautiful enough to be worth taking. The All-Mother, she shines so bright.
Interesting.
But mother's glow is not as warm as it had seemed.
I guess the developers really had like a concept they were going for.
Feels very far from me, and it feels very far
The
from me.
lyrical song actually works for this. Whoa. Little intense ending there. Cool, I might pick that up. It's impressive. 4 people? That's crazy. Crazy stuff. Nice. I will check that out. But it's really cool that you got to knock off a bunch of stuff. Excuse me. It's on Humble Choice this month, but I had it on my radar for a couple months. Cool. Oh. How much is it at the moment? I'll have to check then. Axel was the happiest I've seen him in months. Not abused under my command. Or maybe it'll pan onto like each person that's talking as well. But then I need them to do something. I don't know what their mechanics should be. Oh, that's a subscription thing? I see. I do remember that. I think some of my friends were signed up to it, but I never really did it. Yeah, I'm sure it gives you access to a lot of little hidden gems. That's cool. What to do? Oh man. All right. I might actually call it soon. Keep the streams a little bit shorter as I just ramp up. I hope I can fix my sleep a little bit better soon. It's just kind of on and off for me. I'm trying to keep myself awake too, though. But sometimes it's nice to just chill in my bed and do something else. Just brainstorm maybe on my laptop. You said this was forever? I'm sorry. I might stream on the weekend, actually, since I didn't do Tuesday. I don't think I have anything to do on the weekend. So maybe Saturday. Join the voice chat and we'll scream at you so you can't stream. Yeah, I'll be back on voice chat like daily, hopefully. Let's get back on the accountability. You don't want me in voice chat? Uh-oh. Yeah, I'll be on there tomorrow morning. For sure. Weekend stream. No pressure to be there. Where did you go for a vacation? I went to Thailand and Vietnam. Very fun. Very different. So, and I enjoyed it. I guess I didn't know what to expect going there, but I had such a blast. All right, guys. I will maybe try to do some work later today. And then I'll probably catch you on Saturday. And I'll be more in the right state of mind because today was like my first like jump in back into things. Sounds good. What country did you like better personally? Thai because of food. I think I enjoyed Thailand a little bit more. Vietnam was really cool too though. Vietnam especially, I didn't know what to expect because Thailand, you know, there's beaches, there's like I'm kind of familiar with their food more. So I kind of knew like what it might be like. But still it blew my mind. And then Vietnam was really cool as well. We didn't really go to the beach area there. We explored the cities and like their capital, Hanoi, and Ho Chi Minh is very developed as well. So it was really cool. Join the voice chat or we riot tomorrow, right? Or maybe I might be on voice chat tonight. We'll see. But I do recommend Thailand. It was a good time. And Vietnam too. Like I feel like I might even be back to those two countries at some point. I quite enjoyed it. Sounds good. Voice chat all muted. Yeah. It's like on the rare occasion we're not muted. But yeah, I'll join tonight. I just need like a nap. Glad to see you made it back, safe and streaming. Yes, smooth trip. No problems at all, which is, you know, a good thing. No problems with my flight, and no problems in a new foreign country. Tonight, or I want my friendship bracelet back. Oh, actually, I got this friendship bracelet from one of the tourists that we went on a day trip with. She makes them herself, so she has a whole bundle, and then she gives them out to people that she spends time with. So very cute. I am blessed with the gift of jet laglessness. You'll never catch me jet lagged. Is that true? My sleep is always just bad. Okay, I can see that. I can agree to that. That's funny. No, I'll hopefully be fine by the end of this week. I've been managing. Anyways, I don't know where my music went, but I think I'll log off the stream. 3 hours? That's so lame compared to what I used to do, but it's fine. Maybe I'll play a game until a little bit later. Okay. Later, I dig the short streams. I feel like I didn't do much, but at least I guess I finished off like some of the progression stuff that I'll do and kind of have an idea of what should go down here. Just a matter of what mechanics I want. So I'll maybe think about that today. Sounds good? Oh, what's a voice chat? Soon. Okay, I'll catch you later. Okay? Good catching up with everybody. I will see you on the weekend. I think I will stream. Okay. Bye.